Hey there, YouTube friends. The room's in a little bit of disarray because we're going to be hanging a TV above the fireplace there. So we're going to get to that right now. This is the hanger we bought from Walmart. I think it was about 25 bucks or so. It's one of the ones that tilt. And we're going to read the instructions and get to it right now. This is everything that comes with a hanger. And you could mount it to a wall stud or you could mount it to masonry. So we're going to be mounting it to masonry. We're going to follow the directions and continue. Okay, there's the TV we bought from Walmart. We got to take that out of the box now. Alright, so we laid the TV flat on the table with a comforter underneath to protect it. And we have to take these two screws out and place them on the side, making sure we don't lose them. Alright, so now I have to attach the brackets to the back of the TV. This is the left side, this is the right side. They give you different screws depending on the size of your TV. And you got the screw and the washer. So we just drop it in like that. And tighten it. And we go very gently. So I marked out in blue painter's tape about where we want it above the fireplace. So now we're going to the next step. Okay, now they give you this template to put against the wall. And I have a level up here, so I know I'm level. I got it taped. Now I'll just mark where we want to make the holes. All right, so I'm going to make a mark there. Go underneath there. Okay, I have a 3/8 masonry bit that I'm going to go into the brick. I have to go about 2.5 inches in. Rita's going to help me by running the vacuum because we're going to make a lot of dust here, and we'll do it. Okay, now it comes with these wall anchors, masonry wall anchors. So just tap it in like that, and we're good. Okay, before we hang it, let me show you what's going on. Right here we have a little lip, and that's going to go onto the bracket. Rita's going to take a side, and I'm going to take a side. And then once we get it up there, we pull on these cords, and we should hear it lock in place. All right? Go up, and we're going to put it
Okay, I can
on.
actually kind of see what's going
Higher.
on. I got mine on. Mine's on.
Okay.
How's yours?
Turn that down.
Okay.
Okay, there's a final look. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. And happy movie watching. We'll catch you next time. See ya.